Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can match music to your photo memories on iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and be sure to write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our today's interesting topic. First of all, open the gallery or photos on your iPhone. Next, friends, to go to Memories, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and find the Memories section. Click on that, and here you'll have different folders with different moments of your memories. And choose the one that you like. And when you click on that folder, and you wait a little bit, you'll hear music. Like in my case. And such music will be on the album from the memories. But in order to change it, you'll need to click on this sign on the left-hand side at the bottom. Then at the bottom you will see the name of the song that is playing in this photo memory. Click on the name of that song. Now friends, you will go to such a list of different music that you can easily add to your memories. You can scroll through it and choose what you like. Also friends, you can find the song you want by clicking on search and then search for what you like. Once you choose a song that suits your photo memories, click on it. And at the top right, click Done. And now the name of the song, as you can see at the bottom, has changed. And the music itself will change. And then, friends, to save those changes, just click back. And you'll be out of your new photo memories. That's how you can easily add or change music to your photo memories on iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us likes, and be sure to write comments. See you soon.